welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony and I am just gonna jump right into it. So today we are going to achieve my first sleek low bun on natural hair. You guys know that the top knot, ninja bun used to be my staple style back when I was relaxed and Texlaxed, but I have not bunned my hair at all since I've been natural, just because it's been difficult. So we're gonna start off by spraying my hair and making it pliable enough to make my part, and you're going to make the part with the rat tail comb that I showed you guys earlier, but also right here. I'm working on a 4-day-old, 5-day-old twist out, something like that, and I'm doing a side part. I'm not gonna do a deep side part. I do go back later and fix it, so this is what it is looking like. And then I'm going to split my hair into 3 sections. It is going to be one in the back, one on the side with the majority of my hair, and the other on the other side with the smaller part of my hair in the front. The parts do not have to be perfect. You won't see them in the long run anyway, but I'm just gonna clip those out of the way and then start working on the back. So here I am taking my 360 mister. You do not need to re-drench your entire head, and you don't need it like soaking wet to the core. You just need to do the top layer, but I am making sure I'm getting the top and the bottom. Then you take a styling cream, any one of your choice, it doesn't really matter. And like most naturals, I can only manipulate my hair when it is wet or at least spritzed. It's just the best way for me to do it. If I was gonna try and do any kind of dry styling, it would not come out well for me. So the next thing you're going to take is some gel. This is my Eco Styler gel, and this has a lot of hold. For me, my favorite is the green one, the olive oil one. And this tutorial is going to put a whole nother meaning to heavy-handed. So you're just going to use as much styling gel as you need for your hair. Then you're going to take a boar bristle brush. This brush I've had for years. Literally, I have no idea where I got it from. But this is a firm brush, so it's not a soft one. And you're just going to brush the top layer of your hair down. You do not need to manipulate this section much. Just continue brushing the top layer and smoothing with your hands and applying as much gel as necessary. And when applying the gel and brushing it down, try and avoid the ends, because you do still want your ends to have some definition if you're gonna wear your puff out. So again, I'm working on an old twist out, and you don't want to brush out and frizz out all of your hair. I mean, unless you want to. There are people that wear it like that. I'm not one of them though. So I'm taking this jumbo clip and clipping that down so it stays in place and kind of sits like that while we move on to the next section. So again, I'm taking my spray bottle, and because this is the front, we're gonna focus on really laying these sections down and getting them as flat as possible. So the first thing you're going to do is add your styling cream, then detangle with your Denman brush. Mine is the 7-row Denman brush. I have not modified it at all. And make sure that your hair is properly detangled and smooth. Then take your gel and apply it to the same section and smooth through, making sure to get those edges, okay? Because I am like Sideburn Sally. I used to shave them down, but it's useless. It's useless. They grow back. Then you take your rat tail comb. This is where all the magic happens. And make sure that you can get through the same section that is currently detangled, because this is going to make the section very, very flat. Again, adding as much gel as you need. I can't put a amount on it, but whatever you feel like you need for your hair. And then taking the boar bristle brush and brushing that down as well. Making sure to get those edges, honey. Get them. You are just going to continue to smooth with your hand and then pull it back and clip it in with the rest of the section. And then we move on to the next section and start over. So I'm gonna speed this part up here and I'll come back when it's time for me to do the other side of my head because there's more hair on that side. So we have moved on to using a scrunchie in the back of my head because the clip isn't big enough to keep fitting all of the subsections of my hair. But I wanted to show you guys this. With these 360 misters, if you keep pumping the little lever thing, it will keep spraying like continuously, which I thought is pretty cool. So I thought I'd show you. But here again, I'm just doing the same thing, making sure that everything is properly detangled. That is key. And also working in smaller subsections. That is key. Lots of keys in this, lots of keys. It took me a minute because I have tried to slick down my hair before while I've been natural and nothing has worked. So a fine tooth comb, that's also one of the keys. I already said that. But yes, honey, it's a full-blown workout session, to be completely honest. You don't have to go to the gym. You just have to try and put your hair into a ponytail. I promise you, your biceps will thank you at the end. So just try and put your hair in a ponytail every day and your arms will be looking super toned by the summer. Who needs a gym membership? Girl, you got natural hair. So although the majority of my hair is looking pretty sleek at this point, my edges are still looking kind of fuzzy, which I really don't mind, to be completely honest. And I could just tie a scarf down and I think they would lay down, but I wanted to make sure they would stay down. So I got some Gorilla Snots and I made sure that these things weren't going anywhere. Okay, if you ever want super slick edges that won't budge, this stuff is for you. I already have a review on this if you guys are wondering, but just take your boar bristle brush and continue to swoop, okay? Brush and swoop. Now for added sleeking protection, take your satin scarf and set your edges, go run some errands, do your makeup, live your life, win the lottery, invest in Bitcoin, whatever you want to do, girl, whatever you want to do. But make sure enough time lapses so that you can set them edges. So here, in order to achieve a low bun, I'm going to do like a twisted cinnamon bun, sort of, but you'll get the picture. So I part my hair, or I part the pony puff into 3 sections, and I am just going to twist each subsection. And then after I'm done twisting it, I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail. So this one is going right to left, and the next one is also going to be doing that, right to left. And you bobby pin them down. I did not show that, but use bobby pins, lots of bobby pins. And then you're gonna wrap from left to right. It doesn't have to be in any particular order. This is just the way that I do it, so yeah. There we go. Make sure she does not clock out early. So this is what everything is looking like. And after I get done my makeup, edges are set, this is how sleek everything is looking. And y'all, I keep touching my hair because I can't believe I got it to lay down like this. So next, I know y'all thought the whole bun in the beginning was mine, but it's not. Surprise! I'm going to be using Hergivenhair clip-in extensions, and this hair has been relatively easy to maintain. I haven't worn them on a regular basis, but the hair is super easy to care for. I have not had any excess shedding or excessive tangling. It did get a little more tangled after I've used them about 2 or 3 times, but not anything that you couldn't detangle with a good leave-in conditioner. And I'm just gonna take 3 clips and clip them onto the base of the ponytail. And each clip-in has 3 clips in them. So here you can still see the tracks, and we want to cover those up, and this is the part that I have not been able to do in years. Literally, I would twist my hair around like this back when it was waist length, I was Texlaxed, I was relaxed. I would pile it all on the top of my head and twist it and go to work and be gone, just on the go. And now I can finally achieve this look again, and I'm so happy. So just bobby pin that down however you like, and this is what everything is looking like. Final results. I'm shook, y'all. I'm so shook. There is a little piece that is still hanging kind of low in the back, but don't worry, y'all, I fixed it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and the update on the clip-ins. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.